Yo, good morning to everyone who is watching me from Bobe Tech TV. Now, we welcome all our viewers and subscribers to this channel. Once again, we thank you for your support and your help to our channel. And in this channel, we are here to offer you a passive income online, how you are going to make some income from online. When our first video was uploaded, this is a new channel which is promising our subscribers and our viewers online money just to be your personal job aside when you have a leisure time that you are sitting without doing anything, just do it to earn some token which can help you for it to pay your light bills and whatever. If you know you are not also having job and your mother is taking care of you, you are sitting in the house but having a phone, please just go to the internet, and search of www.youtube.com. When you open YouTube, search for Bope Tech TV. The Bope is GBOPE Tech TECH. Do not add TV and search. When they'll bring videos, when you do not see, go to the top menu. Let me show you. Assuming you open your YouTube like this and search Bope Tech TV. They are not going to show you the channel itself. As you see, the channel has even appeared. This is the channel. You see it here. Maybe in some of them they will not bring the channel, bring only videos. Just tap on these three lines here. Go here. Select the type. You put it on channel and tap apply. Now they'll bring you the channel. Here is the channel. It's a new channel that has been created. So just subscribe to this channel and tap on the videos and watch all the videos and like the videos. Comment below whatever you want us to do for you. And when you go through this, I promise you your life will not be the same. You make some income which will not let people to call you other names. For us not to waste time, let's get started. But if you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell and move it to all. Anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified that video is being uploaded. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, please subscribe to this channel. We have more content to give to you of making money online. This channel is to give you many things. We are here, photo design, graphicing, affiliate marketing, online trading, shopping, and all those things. Even if you want to open your store online without putting on a container to go outside and buy things, you can put on a store online by selling online. People will even buy your goods more than those who are even sitting at the roadside. And that way people will not see you suffering. You'll be in your room while making money. Please, if you want to make such a money, that passive income, kindly subscribe to this channel, please. And tell your friend to tell another friend to also subscribe to this channel. Please help us and subscribe to this channel. Like the video, comment below, and even share to your pages for people to also see. We are begging you, not for us to waste time. Today what we are going to look at is, we'll call it pony. If you go to any web browser and search of pony, you will not see this. All you need to do is go on the description below. You see a link there. Just tap on the link. This link will move you to a registration box. Because I've already registered, they said a phone is entitled to one account. So every device is entitled to one account. When you register one account, you cannot register one account. You cannot register any account again. So all you need is your mobile phone, data connection, and a WhatsApp. So the mobile phone is not just of any phone. A phone that can go on that can on data. You used to go internet. So especially for me to say an Android phone or Windows phone, even with your laptop and all these devices, these smart computers can be used to do it. So you need to have WhatsApp. When you just have WhatsApp, that is where you are going to be communicating with them. All they need is WhatsApp and your phone. You are not going to pay anything. Some people say pay this before. No, you are not going to pay anything. It's taxes that you'll be doing. Every day you earn a tax. Every day you earn a tax. So when you invite people to, you earn more money. So inviting people, earning money, doing daily tax, and when you reach the amount that they are requiring for you withdraw your money into your mobile money account, and boom, you hit. Withdrawing money into your mobile money account doesn't take long. It's just like you transferring money from a mobile money account to a different mobile money account. It's not like PayPal or bank that will take 5 or 1 week before you get that small money. That one is just like a money in your mobile money account. So when you draw it to appear. So when you withdraw from it, it will come into your mobile money. You go and withdraw and buy anything you want. So for us not to waste time, please let's get started. So when you tap on the link, this is where it will move you to. So when it move you to the registration button, for me I can't register again because I've already registered. They will not allow me to register. They said my phone is having an account. So when you finish registering and verify your email, everything, this is how the dashboard of the something is going to look like. Today I take my daily tax. So it's here that you are going to press to complete the list, because I already completed my daily tax. The tax has already been done. So with this, you are not going to do any work there. You are not going to sell anything. The only thing you are going to do is tell people about this website with your affiliate link. So just tap on home. Now, when you want anything about these people, help, rules, invitation, and about us, so you read everything about them. These are some people winning. Someone won. Congratulations to this person. The person won 1,983 Ghana cedis. This one won 1,597 Ghana cedis. This one won 1,943 Ghana cedis. Someone won 510 cedis, 240, 100. So people are earning money here, and this is very legit. I'm telling you, it's legit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. If we giving you good content like this for it to make you some passive income, don't be a hard header than saying me I'll make money through your link that I'm not going to. Please subscribe to this channel. We have more content that is going to make you more money than this small talking. Please. Now they say invite to join, so just tap on this invite. You see, we have a referral code, which is your phone number that you are going to use to create this, and this is the referral link. What you are going to do is just copy this referral link, tap on it like this, it will copy. Go to your WhatsApp, just move to your WhatsApp, share it to your friends, just send it to your friend. Anyone who tap on this, go and register account without the person will not pay anything. When they finish registering and the account is being created, you are going to earn a percentage as a referral commission of 3 cedi. Some is 1 cedi. If you are lucky and some register and purchase anything, you earn 3 cedi. So those that will verify their account by upgrading their account, they said VIP. Now we are in free member. This one is VIP one. So when someone upgrade their account, the person you invite upgrade the account, you earn a commission of 3 cedi. But when the person is still in free member, you earn 1 cedi. So this is how it is. For let's say maybe if you've been able to maybe invite 10 people a day, 10 cedi, it means you have been able to save 10 cedi like that. And when your money reach 50 cedi, you can withdraw. So let's say in a month time, let's say every day you've been able to invite 10 people. Let's use a calculator. 10 people. Where is our calculator? Maybe a day you invite 10, which is 10 cedi like that. So this 10 times 24, which is going to make a month. 24, you make 240 cedis per month. Some people are doing work. They are even teaching private teaching. They don't have, some don't earn maybe up to 240. And let's say if you're a private teacher, as a private teacher, break time, all those things, you can have a lesser time. By you copying this, pasting it in your pages and all those things doesn't take any much time. You can even introduce it to your teachers that you are working with, so you can even tell them for them to also create, and they also start making something. So you giving it out to people registering through your link is going to make you something. So you watching this, please just tap on and go to my description below and tap on the link and register with my link, please. And I also earn something for not making this video for nothing, and also subscribe to the channel, please. We have more to give to you. Don't be like someone. Please subscribe to our channel. We are begging you, please subscribe.